Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a really fast and easy way to select all of your keyframes for any transform property. So you've added a bunch of keyframes to the position property, and now you want to select all the keyframes so you can add easy ease to make a smoother animation. Well, the fast and easy way to select all of the keyframes for any transform property is to simply click on the transform property itself in the Layers panel. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the word position, and just like that, all of the keyframes for the position property are now highlighted in blue. That indicates that the keyframes are selected, and all I have to do is tap on F9 to add easy ease. And to deselect the keyframes at any time, all you have to do is just click off anywhere, and that will deselect them. And this works the same on any transform property. So I'm going to select that layer. I'm going to hold the Shift key. I'm going to tap on S to bring up the scale. I still have the Shift key selected. I'll tap on T for opacity, and I'll tap on R for rotation. You'll see I have keyframes set for all of these transform properties. And if I want to select all of the keyframes for any one of those properties, all I have to do is just click on the word. So I have scale selected. If I hold the Shift key, I can select all of rotation. Hold the Shift key, all of opacity. If I click off, that will deselect them. And if I just want to select on one of them, I'm just going to click on the word rotation. And now you will see that all the rotation keyframes are selected. If I tap on F9 now, that will add easy ease to all of those. So the next time you need to select all of the keyframes for any transform property, rather than dragging your cursor over all of the keyframes, just simply click on the transform property in the Layers panel to select them all. That is your quick tip in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.